Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can fix the dim screen on your phone. So here you just need to open your settings application. Now you just need to go scroll all the way down and go click focus. And now the dim could be in the DND or do not disturb focus or mode, so you just need to tap on it. The next thing you need to do is just go type into these options, and there'll be a lot of options that you can set here, as well as the appearance with the dim lock screen. So you just need to turn it off. Those dim lock screen will not gonna activate it, and your screen will not gonna be dimmed anyway. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you still have some question, you just need to drop in the comment sections below, and don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, as well as turn on the notifications button to get more tutorials from this channel. So that's for today's. Bye bye.